Hello everyone, I'm Dylan, and welcome back to Dylan's Delicious Dinners. Today we're going grilled cheese and soup. And the ingredients you'll need are the vegetable oil, some soup, cheese if you're choosing, a spatula, a pan. I use the actual grilled cheese pan, because why not? And any kind of butter will do. I suggest getting the spreadable butter, but you can use about 1 tablespoon of it, regular butter. Make sure you put it in a glass, and you can microwave it, and then you can like dip the bread in it. But use a spreadable one. Then you get a monkey glass for the soup, and whatever type of bread you want. I choose honey wheat because I like it. And of course, you can do any kind of cheese, any kind of bread, any kind of butter, whatever your choice is. Now, the first thing I do, because I'm paranoid, is clean the soup can. Because who knows what kind of dirty person, cousin, whatever. So that's clean. Reserve my bowls too, just in case. In case like kind of dust or anything settled in it. Alright? And I know it says you can use water. If you want to make it a little bit creamier, you can use milk, the same amount. But I just pretty much open the soup can. Sip right out. Just pour it in a bucket head. Yeah, fill the extra ones out. And I just put left a little bit more. Because I don't like it to be too watered down. I like it to still be kind of soupy. Just kind of mix it up a little bit. Separate all the chicken noodle-y stuff. Of course, people usually use tomato soup instead, but I want chicken noodle soup. So, chicken noodle soup means pretty much the same thing. Except for all the meat and stuff. It's pretty much all you can do is put it in the microwave. Anyways, if you want to avoid all the splashings, you can put like a little thin napkin or paper towel over the top. But, of course we'll do that. We're nice people. Let's put it for 2 minutes. Just be safe. Because I always spray the stuff over the sink. So if I spray it over other stuff in here, it'll get really sticky. But if I put it over here, I can just wash it off really easy. So just thin layer, a couple sprays on there, depending on whatever you use. Now that the soup is done, we can start working on the grilled cheese. Basically, all I can do is put it on one of the heater thingies. Put it to medium. You can put it on high, but medium is the best one for me. Just get some bread out like this, easy. Now, you may have noticed I didn't say we need a knife, because we're going to be a crazy person. We're going to use our hands to spread it on there. No. I mean, it is optional. You could actually do that, but pass. Separate the cheese. I have to do 2 sandwiches, because why not? Somebody ate my other piece of cheese! Curse you, pass, Dylan! What are you talking about? I didn't just pause the thing and run to the store and get it back into the exact position. Anyway, back to where we were. More cheese for the cheese list. They didn't put one of those paper things in between the things that they usually do. Monsters! Basically what we're going to do, take one side of it, and we're going to butter it, put it down, then we're going to put the cheese on top, and then another piece of bread, and butter that one too, and slap it on there. So here we go! Ooh, look at that butter spread! Perfect. Look at that. It's all buttery and whatnot. Burn! Burn for my dinner! Hurry! Hurry! More butter on the thing! Activate smell vision now! You still haven't bought it? Yes. Perfect. What I like to do now is get the other pieces ready, because why not, you know? Depending on how well done you want yours, you can keep them on a little bit longer. But I don't really mind. It's a little bit burnt because flavor. Then you just take your spatula, kind of check. It's got barely any gold, so we can keep it on for a few more seconds. Anyway, the soup's done. Now, I like my soup a little bit cold, so that's why I did it first, but you can do it however you want. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Now! Maybe we do a little bit longer. We'll do a little bit longer. It'll be a little bit crunchy. Still a little bit soft. Right here is pretty good though. Yes. More. More. Cook it more. The reason why we don't put it on high is because if you put it on high, it'll burn really fast. Put it on low, it'll take too long. Medium's just right. Yes, I am wearing my other jacket. Check it again. Yeah. It's about 2-3 minutes, maybe 4 minutes, depending on how well done you want it. It won't hurt you. It's just bread and cheese. Well, I mean, once bread and cheese takes over the world, can't really do anything about that now. But now we're still over them, so that's good. Yes. Cook it. Over. Yes. That one's done. The exact same to the other side. So what I already did is I got some soap and water ready for the cleaning the dishes part. What do you got to clean up after yourself? Now! Yeah, there we go. Delicious. Nice and done. Now comes the hard part. Push them out. Hurry. There's time to lose. You're loving that smell vision right now, don't you? Pretty simple. Just do the same thing with the other one. Now you can mix it up. And you can put a little bit of jalapenos or whatever inside here. But we're just going to make regular ones for right now. No spicy this time. We'll double the spice next time though. In the meantime, we can cut our cheese. Now you can do like a crazy person and go straight down or right and left. But the sane person, what they do is they cut it down diagonally. Diagon alley. Like so. Like so, said Dylan. Yes. It's beautiful, isn't it? Try it now. Ooh, that one's perfect. Yes. If you have anything else you want me to cook, just let me know. I'll try it. I'll cook anything, man. Any kind of food. Phrasing. If you're wondering what this is, it's one of the hot holders. So if something's hot, you can pick it up and it won't burn you. Cook it. We're cooking it. Oh, so close. It's perfect. Now remember, like a sane person would do, and cut it diagonally. Diagonally. And turn off your heat. And there you have it. The perfect grilled cheese. And some soup. Now only use a spoon because people that use forks are crazy. I mean, you can always just scoop it out and eat it, just noodles and stuff. But I like to eat it with it. And the best part about grilled cheese of this is you get to dip it in it. Dip it in it. That's right. Hot. It gives me energy. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Making me this amazing meal. And I will see you eventually.